Now excuse the background, I just did a new studio revamp for myself and I'm still trying to figure out this problem back here. But nonetheless, today I want to talk about a fantastic Bluetooth accessory I think every Nintendo Switch Lite owner should get. This here is the Homespot Bluetooth adapter designed specifically for the Nintendo Switch Lite. The box itself is actually not showing the correct product at all. This is actually their older model, just minus the teeth here. I can show you here on my Switch Lite where you see these two screws here on the original Switch. It actually had grooves to help it dock better into the dock itself so it wouldn't wiggle around as much. The Switch Lite doesn't have that, and the older version of the Homespot actually had teeth to help it lock in there. So because of that, it actually did not work with the Switch Lite down here. Because of that, they had to design a new version of their older adapter, and it's basically the same functionality as their previous adapter, except this time, this one doesn't have those teeth, so it can actually work with your Switch Lite. Now, if we open it up, it actually does come with a really nice little case for the adapter itself, and it also does include another adapter so that you can plug it into your dock itself. If for some reason you purchase this model for your regular Switch, you can still use it for that, of course, no problem at all. It's just not gonna have those locking teeth, or you can use this with your PlayStation 4, no problem. The box also did include a manual for it, so if you need a how-to guide on how to set this all up. Though, of course, setup for this is super simple. You plug it into the USB-C port on the bottom of your Nintendo Switch Lite, and it takes power directly from that. You don't have to charge this thing separately. It doesn't drain your battery a whole lot while you're using it, but if you leave it plugged in and leave the Switch on standby for a number of days, it will eventually kill your battery. All plastic, nothing, no fancy materials here. Very plasticky. The color though, I'm honestly super impressed with how accurately they were able to match the yellow of the Switch to this adapter here. And it comes in gray and the blue color of the other Nintendo Switch Lites as well. And if you're playing a lot of multiplayer games on your Switch Lite, it does come with a built-in microphone down at the bottom here. You do not need a separate adapter like most Bluetooth adapters for Nintendo Switch out there. They come with those little headphone mics. Now if we take our Switch here and we just plug it in, you click that button, it's already automatically in pairing mode, and then you can start pairing them. I have my AirPods Pros here, and I already have this connected, so after a while, as you can see, the green light went solid and it's instantly paired. I don't have to do anything else, and this was unplugged as you saw earlier, so it remembers whatever it's connected to over time. You don't have to worry about repairing it every single time you unplug it and plug it back in. It's gonna remember the last device that you connected it to. And of course, it does have two sides, so you can connect two different pairs of headphones at the same time and get audio out. But I think for the majority of people, having those two separate Bluetooth inputs there is not gonna be super useful on the Switch Lite itself, because this is more of a, hey, I'm a solo traveling gamer, I just need this for myself. Now, just to show you what happens when you turn it off, the lights will blink here, and then it'll basically shut itself down. And now technically it's on standby until you start it up again. You get the lights doing a little light show again. Boom, you're connected. You can see up there. Let me just turn it off and turn it on again. It's on USB, so it already knows. It detects the device. It knows you have a USB input for your headphones, and then you can instantly start playing your games and get audio through this. So just to show you how easy it is to pair new devices with this adapter, I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to channel 2 here. You actually do, I made a mistake earlier, you actually do have to hold this down for a second here to enter pairing mode directly. And then you see those two lights flashing there. I'm just gonna take my AirPods right here, set those into pairing mode as well. That's flashing now, so we got both of them flashing. They should find each other after a few seconds. Oh, well, look at that. It actually remembered that it was paired to the channel 1 here, so it just automatically paired it to channel 1. So I guess that proves a different point, that it remembers exactly what it's paired to, so it automatically paired to whatever channel it remembers that being on. As you can see, the green light actually turned off because I closed my AirPods, so now they're off, so this doesn't detect them anymore. I did not expect that to happen. That's actually more impressive to me, that it remembered which channel it was paired on and just instantly paired it to that instead of pairing it to a new channel itself. So that's actually pretty cool. But either way, you saw how quickly it did that, so it was pretty impressive. My only big complaint is that once you plug it in here, since it doesn't have those teeth, it does move around a bit at the bottom of your Nintendo Switch. Now, this adapter does have Bluetooth 5.0, so as far as latency is concerned, it should be pretty extremely minimal. It should not be a big issue on this adapter at all. So for $40, it works extremely well. I'm playing right now and it's very, very low latency. Like, he's hitting and I'm hearing it as soon as it happens. Like, I don't notice a delay at all. Very happy with my purchase. I cannot complain. It works really well. And also, if you have AirPod Pros, the noise canceling still works with this adapter as well. So now I can't hear what I'm saying, probably super loud. Let me turn that off. I do wish it was a little cheaper just because the materials that this thing used are really cheap. So yeah, that was just my quick review on the Homespot Bluetooth adapter for the Nintendo Switch Lite. And if you want to buy this version and want to have a different color for your regular Nintendo Switch, it still works. It's still gonna work just fine. It's gonna have the same wobbly issues as the Switch Lite here, but it'll do the job. It's not gonna have any problems working there. It's just not gonna have those teeth. So if you liked the video, please let me know in the comments down below. If you're gonna pick one of these up or if you already own it, let me know down below as well. But also, if you really enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. It really means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. But as always, my name is Joshua Munoz. Stay sexy, and I'll see you sometime.